I'm going to share a conversation I had with Dylan. He'd been dating Meryl for a few years, and he decided he was going to come back and get his MBA. It's a 2-year program. Meryl has a job in New York. And I say to him, 2 years is a long time. What are you going to do? You're going to be dating other people? He looks me in the eye and says, no, she's the one. Excuse me. I knew then that was just a matter of time before we'd be sitting here before your wedding.
Meryl and Dylan, the weekend we've all been waiting for, is finally here.
Y'all love you both so much.
May both your hearts be the masters of one fate, beat for beat, beyond and between the melody of time. I love you both. Cheers.
Thank you to the Shore and Pelz families for this beautiful evening, as well as the unforgettable weekend that all of us are about to endeavor on. Dylan, he eventually told me in May of 2016 that he had someone new in his life that he wanted to introduce me to. He asked me if we could go to dinner, and I said, of course, I love to go to dinner. The dinner was, to say the least, a great success. From the minute I met Meryl, we connected, and we've been thick as thieves ever since. The thing about Dylan and Meryl, though, is they have an insatiable appetite for living life and giving love to everyone in their lives.
Try not to cry.
Meryl, you have a spirit, a vivaciousness, and a zest for life. Stay amazing, Meryl. Stay amazing.
Regardless of who, I've watched Meryl effortlessly charm the room around her with a perfect balance of both friendliness and confidence. Put simply, Meryl is a people person.
Meryl is smart, funny, gorgeous. She had Nantucket connections and an uncanny ability to carry a room. What was she doing with Dylan? Dylan, I'm so happy that you're officially my new son-in-law. You're a great guy, and most importantly, so good for Meryl in so many ways.
Above all else, Dylan has a big heart, and the list of people he holds in that heart is a long one.
Meryl, Meryl, Meryl. I am so excited to finally call you my sister.
In the Jewish tradition, it's said that if you have a rainy wedding, it just means that many blessings will be showered upon you throughout the years. And if that's so, you're destined for many, many, many blessings for many years to come.
Gorgeous. You look stunning. How do you feel?
I feel great.
Meryl and Dylan, you're about to embark on a beautiful journey filled with adventure and love and happiness.
One thing was clear from the start. We operated better together and therefore had no reason to be apart. You are my person. I love our love story. I can't wait to navigate life with you.
Dylan, there is no one I would rather build a life with. There is no storm that you and I cannot weather together.
May you always feel the love of your family and friends. May you be blessed with a life of wholeness, of love, of shalom. You ready?
I'm ready.
This new couple before you are two amazing individuals, and together they become an even more amazing couple.
Meryl and Dylan, you make a really great team.
Dylan and Meryl, you are the exclamation mark at the end of this amazing chapter. You truly are the best of the best, the creme de la creme and the cherry on top. To the bride and groom, Dylan and Meryl,